Today I'm going to show you how to turn your sloppy soup strainer into a manicured mustachio. Let's get to work.
Beeswax and coconut oil are all that we need. Beeswax for hold and coconut oil to soften the wax as well as your stash. These days everyone has bees, so you should be able to find some wax locally, and coconut oil is at all the grocery stores. You'll also need a pot, a bowl, and a container to put your wax into. The most basic recipe is 50% coconut oil and 50% beeswax. This will help control and moisturize a mustache or a beard, but if you really need something to style on them, I like to go 75% beeswax and 25% coconut oil for a stronger hold. Typically, a batch of 1 to 2 ounces is plenty to keep your crumb catcher under control for as long as you're able to tolerate it. So weigh out each ingredient and add it to the bowl. If you don't have a scale, you can do it by volume. The ratios are approximate anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Add a little bit of water to the pot and put your bowl into it. This works as a double boiler. This way we can heat the wax slowly and it won't burn. Turn the heat on to low until everything melts. While I'm stirring, like the video, subscribe to the channel. It keeps my mustache strong and healthy. Now you can add essential oils. I'm a man, so I have to smell like a tree. Next, pour the wax into your tin. You gotta be careful here because this is hot. As far as applying goes, I use the back of my thumbnail to get some in. I guess the thumbnail's on the back of my thumb. There's no such thing as a back of a thumbnail. You could clearly see here the difference between 75-25 and 50-50. So the 50-50 softer and oilier. It doesn't offer as much hold, but it still helps you control a bit. It's great to work into a mustache or beard to clean it up and moisturize. 75-25 on the other hand is thicker and tackier. This gives all the wax you need to maintain your face furniture. The only thing left to do is prepare yourself for all the compliments to come your way.